Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to create a public account in Threads. Watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. Let's assume you've already logged into your Threads and Instagram app account. If not, then log into it. After that, you'll be in a homepage interface something like this. Thread is an app which you can use instantly if you have an Instagram account. In Threads, you can have text-based photos and video posts. Then, you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner. Tap on it. After tapping, you'll be on your profile page of Threads. Then tap on Edit Profile, which is beside Share Profile. Then a menu like this will slide into your screen and you can see Private Profile option. As the last option, you can see the button is toggled on. You'll have to toggle off the button. After that, you'll have to tap on Done, which is on the right upper corner of the menu. After that, your Thread account will be public. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.